Hey everyone, Ben here and welcome to Motivation to Invest. Now a question I've been asked so many times from you guys is what has been my best performing stocks of the past 10 months. Now collectively, these stocks, if I add up the percentages, have brought me returns of over 988%. But I'm going to be completely transparent with you guys, there have also been some losers in my portfolio. Like anyone else and any large hedge fund, there are winners, there are losers. If anyone tells you that they've got a portfolio of all winning stocks, they're all up 20, 30, 40, 100%, 200%, you know that they are not telling you the truth. But in this channel, I aim to be fully transparent with you guys, as my passion and my mission is to help as many of you guys as possible become financially free and improve your quality of life through investing in the stock market. The knowledge and the information I teach on this channel is stuff I wish I knew personally many years ago. Since then, I've read over 300 investing books. I've made over 350 investing videos on YouTube teaching you guys how to invest in the stock market. And people always say to me, they say, Ben, how do you stay motivated each and every day? And honestly, I get my kicks out of helping you guys each and every day on this channel. I love the whole process. I love investing in stocks, I love researching stocks, and I love teaching this information and helping you guys in the market. So really, I do want to thank you guys humbly for watching this channel and your continual support. This year, this channel has been seen by over 2 million people, and I just find that completely mind-blowing. I especially love those people who hit that thumbs up button because that really does help the channel to grow even more. But I especially love those of you guys who leave positive and uplifting comments, even just those helping others in the comments also. Now I'm not talking about the Bitcoin scammers who are in the comments telling people to WhatsApp them. I'm talking about those people who ask a question, one of you guys answers. I really love seeing that, and I love to see people winning in the market. I receive many comments from you guys saying, Ben, thanks to your information, I'm 10,000 up, 50,000 up, 1.5 million up. But more important to me is the stuff people do with those returns. I've took my mum on vacation. I've become financially free. I've scaled back hours on the job I'm working in order to invest more in the stock market. And through that process, I can spend more time with my family. To me, that's what gives me my kicks. But really, I don't want to take any credit for the amazing returns you guys have achieved since watching this channel. That's all down to you. If anything, all I've provided you is the tools and the information in order to make your own investing decisions, which is my ultimate goal. Now, a personal mantra which I live by is the best way to find yourself is to lose yourself in the service of others. And that's what I consider I do on this channel. I find this a really powerful way of actually helping other people at scale. But apologies for the rant, guys. If any of you are new around here, why not consider joining the investing family by hitting that subscribe button and turning that notification bell on. And if any of you guys want to get access to exactly which stocks I'm buying, which stocks I'm selling, including my entire 6-figure investment portfolio, then feel free to check out that first link in the description below for the VIP membership group. Now, the difference between my portfolio and many of these people that you see on YouTube and they reveal their portfolios is mine is a real, genuine portfolio. I'm a normal guy. I worked as an electrical design engineer before setting up a few businesses and investing in stocks and learning the stock market over many years. And through that process, I've built a portfolio from $20,000 to over $200,000. Now, you see these people on YouTube revealing their $30 million portfolio. And to me, that just seems completely crazy because if you listen to them, they don't actually know how to even value a stock, how to invest in the stock market. They're really just picking stocks like a monkey blindfolded throwing darts. Now, I've got no hate for those guys and they're doing their thing, but just a question you guys should ask yourself when you see these people with their $30 million portfolio, ask yourself the question, they've got $30 million, why are they making YouTube videos every single day? Like, you've got $30 million.
I said it before and I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast. You don't stop and look around once in a while, you could miss it.
To me, that just doesn't make sense. Now, I still will be making YouTube videos for many years to come, but my personal goal, I only need around 2 million, 1 million to 2 million, and then I can really be fully financially free and dedicate my time fully to helping others. Yes, that might be by doing some videos on this channel to help you guys be financially free. Don't worry, guys, I won't leave you completely hanging. But I'll also be doing a lot more charity work because my time will be freed up in order to genuinely help people Just look at Bill Gates, one of the richest people in the entire world. He's not running Microsoft anymore. He's running the Bill Gates Foundation to try and help people, because really that is the essence of life. It's all about helping others. That's where you get your true kicks and true wealth from. Now, those in the VIP group have seen my entire investment portfolio, and you can tell it's genuine just by the way I've gone crazy and I've invested into so many different stocks. Because if I could go back to day one, I'd probably be a little bit more focused with my stock picking. I've got around 50 stocks in the portfolio. Generally, I'd prefer around 25, so I'm a little bit overweighted, but at least that means I'm diversified. But with that being said, let's get into my top 5 best performing stocks of the past 12 months. So kicking things off at stock number 1 is Etsy. So Etsy is the online e-commerce store which focuses in unique products and vintage goods. Now, diving into my Etsy position here, we can see my cost basis for the stock was $38 per share. The stock is now $221 per share, which means my position on that investment is up 391%. Now, I purchased this stock a few months back, around maybe 7-8 months ago. So yeah, 391% returns is not bad. I wish I invested more into that stock. Now, we're going to go through some quick numbers on Etsy. We're here on Stockopedia. This is an investment platform I use to analyze stocks. I've got a link in the description if you wish to check it out. It's a discount link. You get 25% off if you want to check it out. It doesn't matter to me if you use it or not. It's just what I personally use. So sales growth on Etsy year over year is 128%. The earnings per share growth is 493%. So this company has not just increased its sales, it's increased its earnings 4x over the past year. Balance sheet is a fortress with a current ratio of 4.98. Price of sales at the moment is a little bit steep with a valuation of 18. However, this stock has now been included into the S&P 500. So this could be a great one to add to your watch list. On to stock number 2 we're going to dive into is Wayfair, ticker symbol W. That's a great ticker symbol. So this is an online furniture delivery company. This is a stock which I invested into back in March, April, so around $48 per share. It then increased by around 600%. This stock is one that I did own, but I don't own it anymore. So I actually sold about this point here. So I got in about here and I sold about here. So I made about 500% on Wayfair. That was an incredible stock, an incredible investment. I decided to sell out just because it had ran up so fast. I'm glad I did because it sort of dropped down by about 11%, but it's still an interesting company. I might get back in there in the future. Another reason why I sold the stock is because the product they're selling is basically a commodity. Furniture, lots of places are selling furniture, IKEA and many other stores. So when the economy does open, will Wayfair take a bigger hit on their sales? Sales growth has been 66%, which is incredible. Generally, I say a growth stock is one which is growing at least 20%. Balance sheet also looks great. Current ratio of 1.37. Generally, I look for a current ratio of at least 1.5. So that's your short-term debts to your short-term cash or assets. Price of sales is 2.29. So the valuation's actually not too bad at the moment looking at Wayfair. So that could be an interesting one. So that's Wayfair. On to stock number 3. This is a stock which is no surprise to many people, and that is Tesla, ticker symbol TSLA. Now, my Tesla position is not exact on my trading account because I actually dollar cost averaged into this stock as the stock was increasing in price. So it says here I got it for $178 per share, and they did a share split, so that might affect it. But it's now $800 per share. My position here is up 340% according to this, but really the position's up around 400%. This was another stock, fantastic company. Honestly, I'm going to be completely honest with you guys. I like Tesla, but I didn't think it was the greatest in the world. There was a lot of risk with the company at the time, so I didn't put a massive stake in that company. But the ironic thing I want to say about this whole situation in the stock market over the past 12 months is everyone's been talking about Tesla, but in my personal account, Etsy, Wayfair, they've both achieved higher returns than Tesla. So Tesla's not been the only stock which has benefited massively during this global situation. Now, I've done a full valuation on Tesla and whether it's a good buy right now using what's called a discounted cash flow calculation. So I'll leave a link for that video in the description below. Next stock is stock number 4. Now, this is Scottish Mortgage Investment Trust. So this is a fund by the investment firm Baillie Gifford. So Baillie Gifford is basically like the UK version of ARK Invest. They're investing into many similar stocks and also achieve fantastic returns this year. So my Baillie Gifford position, I got in around $530 per share. The stock is now over $1,200 per share, and that's increased by over 135%. This actually was a bit higher, but there's been a slight correction recently, but 135% is not bad over the past 10 months. Scottish Mortgage Investment Trust, top 10 holdings. We've got Tesla in there, Amazon, Illumina, the gene editing company, Tencent, Neo. So some incredible companies in here. So you can see why this fund has had fantastic performance. Finally, we're going to go into stock number 5, and that is Lemonade. So this is the disruptive insurance company targeted at millennials. So my Lemonade position, I got in at $60 per share on average. The stock is now $142 per share. So that's a return of 122% over the past 10 months. Now, firstly, it must be stated, these are all reputable, fairly safe companies. Lemonade's probably the most volatile as it was a recent IPO, but still Lemonade has a lot of future potential. This is just the beginning for a company like this. So that's also a really interesting one. And like I say, if you guys want access to my entire investment portfolio, I'll leave a link for the VIP group in the description below. But as I did state, full disclosure for you guys, I'm going to reveal my worst performing position, and that is Barrick Gold. So Barrick Gold is a gold mining company which Warren Buffett actually invested into. Now, this is a large cap company, and I don't even consider this a negative that this stock is down at the moment. So the stock's down around minus 25%, that position is, but I don't even consider that a negative, because basically the reason I've got that stock is that's a hedge for my portfolio. So if there's a major market correction, especially a market correction in the tech sector, everyone will pull out the tech stocks, they'll go into gold, that stock will fly up, and then I can sell and buy back into the lower price stocks which have crashed. So to me, that's not even bad that that position is down 25%. But yeah, if you guys found some value in this video, feel free to give it a big thumbs up. That helps out tremendously with the YouTube AI. If you're new around here, why not consider joining the investing family, hitting that subscribe button, turning that notification bell on, and remember, VIP group in the description below if you want access to my entire 6-figure portfolio. With that being said, I hope you guys have a tremendous day, and I'll see you all in my next video. Invest safe.